Hello lovely, welcome back or welcome to my channel. My name is Frankie, I'm a hairdresser, and today's video is a review of the Wavetech Wave Foam by Xmondo. Oh, here it is, guys. Can't even really believe that I'm holding this in my hands. I've been wanting to review the Wavetech Wave Foam for such a long time, and I finally got around to ordering it because I was waiting for Brad to release his new shampoos and conditioners. So I also ordered those alongside the Wavetech Foam, but we're going to do a review on this one today. So before we start, you're probably wondering why I've got my hair in a microfiber towel, and that's because I've already dried my hair with the product in, and I didn't want you guys to see it just yet. So the way that we're going to do this is we're going to do a side-by-side review. I feel that it's the only fair way, and I did it with my Lush R&B hair moisture review and it really worked, and I was really happy with the video. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to wet my hair, and then I'm going to diffuse dry it with absolutely no products in it at all. And then I'm going to come back and use the Wavetech Wave Foam and diffuse dry my hair exactly the same, but obviously the only difference will be that the first time I use no product and the second time I'm going to use the Wavetech Wave Foam. So before we start, don't forget to subscribe to my channel to stay up to date with my future product reviews. I've just ordered the Hydro Glow shampoo and conditioner. I've been using it for a month and I'm going to review it in a few weeks, and I would hate for you to miss it. So don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you want to stay up to date with those. Okay, so let's get into the first look. I just want to say that I usually have a whole load more frizz than this. I've been using the Hydro Glow shampoo and conditioner for 1 week, and it does say that it's for taming frizzy hair. So I'm thinking maybe that has something to do with where the frizz is going, because if I put a little picture up here now, this is when I was using the Lush R&B hair moisturizer before I had dried it with the product in. So you can see already both of these pictures have absolutely no product in the hair, and they're both diffused. So there's definitely a difference in the way that my hair is drying from before using the Hydro Glow and from after using the Hydro Glow, but that's a whole nother video, so let's get into that another time. So as I said before, I've just diffused dried my hair in this video and I've used absolutely no product. So I would be lying if I said I couldn't see a little bit of frizz. There's a little bit of frizz around the root, and the curls aren't that defined down to the ends. You can see a little bit of shape in there, but there's not that much. It's hanging quite low, it's looking quite limp, there's not much lift at the root, and overall it kind of, I feel like after an hour or two it'll just look like a big puffy mess and a ball of frizz, and nobody wants that. Next up, I'm going to show you how my hair dried with the product in. But first, let's chat a little bit more about the Wavetech Wave Foam by Xmondo. The Xmondo website says that the Wavetech Wave Foam is designed to enhance your natural curl and control frizz. It emphasizes your existing wave and can even create new body on straight hair. And I've seen this. I've seen some people with straight hair online. Go and have a look for those videos. And they actually have poke straight hair, and they've been using this product and it's actually given them a bit of a wave, and that's mad. That is mad. So this product is designed to give you tousled waves and curls without the crunch, and I think we all know what they mean by that. Some foams for the hair are really sort of sticky and crunchy, and I think that's why foam has a bad name and everyone's a little bit scared of using it, because back in the day when we used to use foam, if you were using it to enhance your curl, you'd get that kind of crunchy texture, and that is so not a thing of today. Everyone at the moment wants their hair to look really sort of like untouched and natural, and if you've got a whole load of crispy crunchiness in there, nobody wants that. So we'll be able to see when we use this product if that is true or not, because I'm going to load my hair up with this product to see if there's going to be any sort of crunch. As always, I only review products that are cruelty-free, vegan, sulfate-free, paraben-free, and free of any nasties. This product also is gluten-free and hairdresser tested, which is great. I'm a hairdresser too, so I'm gonna test it. The Wavetech Wave Foam has got some mad ingredients that I 100% cannot pronounce, but I will try it now. I'm gonna have to get my phone out for this. Polyquaternium 72. Known for its ability to retain style while keeping the hair soft and reducing frizz. That sounds good. We all need a little bit of this polyquaternium 72. The next one is Pro Vitamin B5. It improves damaged hair and thickens the hair strand to add body. Next up, we have polyquaternium 11, which creates a flexible, firm coating over the hair to hold the curl and add shine. Perfect. Okay, so now let's have a look what the Wavetech Wave Foam has done to my hair. My fringe has gone wild. So you can see as well as I can that there's a whole new level of lift to my hair. It looks fuller, it looks thicker, and it looks so much shinier and stronger. The curls are way more defined, and I'm not mad about it. I'm gonna give it a 10 out of 10 to be honest. Like, look at that, look at that. So now we're gonna put the before and after side by side. And you can see from these two pictures that the results are wild. My hair in this picture even looks longer and flatter, like it is just completely different to once I have used the products. And I can confirm that there is absolutely no crunch to this product at all. If anything, I feel like I could probably have used more to even just get rid of more of the frizz through the top. This is my main problem for frizz. I never really get frizz down the bottom. It's always in this area. So I feel like next time I use this product, I'm gonna go mad in at the root, you know? Why not? It's all about experimenting. Overall, guys, I would 100% recommend this product. I give it a 10 out of 10 from me. I will definitely be using it in the future on my hair and on my clients' hair. I just think it's absolutely fantastic. Before I go, I would really like to know if there's any curl products that you would like me to try and do a review on. I absolutely love reviewing curl products, and I would be grateful to know what you would like to see. So put it down in the comments below if there's anything specific. I hope you enjoyed this video. It's been lovely chatting to you and using the Xmondo products. I'm so excited that they finally arrived, and I hope to see you soon, and lots of love. Bye. Thicker.